So now we can take a photo of any product that we want. And once we send this, it will trigger our automation. And once that's done, we can get the video back to watch.
Don't let the day run you. With Nivea Men Protect and Care, you're always at your best.
Honestly, our game nights were so boring before Monopoly Deal. Now it's always non-stop fun and friendly chaos.
So I just created this AI agent system that replaces the traditional way of filming and editing adverts and content. It's so easy that you just take a photo of your brand or your product and the AI agent will do the rest. It might look complicated at first, as you see so many nodes here, but I'll make it very simple as we will start the tutorial from the beginning. How it works is that you take a picture on the Telegram and send it to the bot receives it, gets the image path, and analyzes it. After that, it sends it to an AI agent, which creates an initial prompt for the advert. Then we have an approval process, which gets sent to your Telegram, and you can approve or decline how the advert would look like. If you decline, you can send again what you will want to change with the advert, and the AI agent prompt will revise that. After that is done, we create a GPT image, which is a professional image of your brand or your product. Then we create a Google VO3 video, which is the best model for creating content at the moment. And after that, the video gets sent to your Telegram again. You can use this system to create ads and content so you can sell to other companies or businesses. 99% of people don't know this yet, so take advantage of it and use it to sell it to businesses or use it for yourself on your own business. To create this workflow, you have to go to n8n and create an account there. After that, you click on the plus button here and click on the new workflow on personal. After that, we create a Telegram trigger, which waits for our message, which we will send the photo there and with a caption also. But first, you have to create a bot on your Telegram and connect it to this credential here. You click on here. If you see this, you have access token here. You have to go on Telegram and search for bot father. After that, click on open and create a new bot. You can name your bot whatever you want and click on the create button here. After that, you click on copy, so you copy the API token for your bot and paste it here. I've already connected my bot, so I don't need to do that. After that, you create another Telegram node and click on the receive message here. As you can see, click on resource message, send message, and the chat ID here you have to get from the previous node. Let me open Telegram and show you how you do it. Okay, I just opened my Telegram. We are taking a photo of our popcorn. And we have to write a caption for our ad. Let me do it just a moment. Before clicking on enter, we have to execute the first trigger, and now it's listening. After we send this message, it will register it in the node. Okay, it worked. After that, we got all the information for our node here. And we click on the next one. Here the chat ID now is available that we get from the previous Telegram trigger here. As you can see, all the information is already pre-filled up for you. And you can get this on my community, the AI Syndicate. You can click on the classroom here, go to Add Creator AI Agent, and there on the bottom you can click on the full template, Add Creator AI Agent, to get the full template. So you don't have to fill up any prompts or information, just connect your credentials. Let's execute this node. Okay, after that we have to get the image path so we can analyze with ChatGPT. Just copy and paste what we have here on the section, on the input section. When you download the template, it will be like this. So you have to put in your bot access token, which you can get on the bot father in Telegram. Here's how it should look like when after you get it. You just copy and paste it here. Remove this part and paste it here. And now it should work. Let's try executing the step. Okay, it is okay. Then we analyze the image here. But to do that, we have to connect our ChatGPT credentials. n8n provides its own OpenAI API credit, so you don't have to connect your own. But if you have to, you just click on the new credential here and fill up this information. After that, we execute this step also. And let's wait until ChatGPT executes. Nice. Now ChatGPT has analyzed our image and created the perfect information so the AI agent knows what the image is about. Then we create an AI agent prompt here. All this information I have inputted here you will find easily on the community, so you can edit it or input your own. After that, we have to connect three things: the model that the agent will be using, a tool that thinks how the prompt will be, and the parser that shows us how the structure of the prompt will be. All this is also pre-filled for you when you get the template from the community. After that, we execute the step. If you see this, it means it has worked. And now we create the edit fields here, which I've named set prompts. And here I place the image prompt, which includes this image prompt from the agent, a video prompt, and so on and so forth, as you can see in the screen. You can copy paste this if you are doing the tutorial yourself. After that, we get an approval from the Telegram. We get a response from our bot into the Telegram saying if we approve the advert, how it is prompted. Let me show you how it will look like. Let's execute this step first. As you can see, we just got a message here with a caption, creative summary, image, video, and the aspect ratio and the model we will be using. Now we just have to respond. If we are okay with everything, we have to respond here with yes or no. Let's try yes for now. If we input it correctly, then the node will be executed successfully and it will say yes here. But we have another option here. If we input no, then we create another agent here with the same stuff, with the same model thing and the structured output to create another prompt for our ad. And we goes again in this process here and gets our approval. If we say no again, it does the same loop again. But now let's go to the step if it says yes. But let's execute this first. Here we have connected our Telegram account, as I said before. Connect your API key of your bot here. And here we get a text back. Great, your creative is now in progress. This will take only a few minutes. After that, we execute this step to get the message if it's okay. Okay, it worked. Here's the message we got back. After that, then we create a GPT image. For this step, we have to connect our API, which is on kai.ai here. Just go on kai.ai/API key. If you don't have an account, just create one and get this API key. Make sure to put some credits into your account, minimum $5, or this won't work. By the way, the Google VO3 and the ChatGPT image all will cost in total about 40 cents, so the $5 is just the minimum that kai.ai accepts. After that, we click on the authentication here and click on generic credential type. After that, we click on a header authentication here. And here on header authentication, you have to create a new credential here. I've already created mine, but here is how it will work if on your screen. You have to enter here, click on expression. Then here you can type bearer and then you input your API key. If you just input your API key here, it won't work. You have to write bearer first, then a space, then you can enter your API key. I already have done mine, so I will cancel this one. After that, you just enter this JSON file here, as you see on the screen, and execute the step. If it says code 200, then it was a success. Then we have a waiting note here. For this tutorial, I'll make this only one, but on the production, when you want to make this automation completely automated, you enter here like 240 seconds, something in that range, because you have to let the API to do its job. Here for this tutorial, let's enter it one. After that, we have to get the GPT image. Here you enter this URL. Again, the generic credential type here, the same, the header authentication, and the same header authentication I told you before, where you enter bearer and then the API. After that, you have to click on using fields below, name the task ID here, and drag and drop this task ID here. I've already done so I don't need to do it. And execute this step. If you see this, then it means if you see the status generating here, it means it is on the works. You now have to wait about 2 to 3 minutes for this status to complete. After that, we will click again on execute step. You can also check this on kai.ai. You can go on logs here and click on the 4.0 image. If you see this status running here, it means it's on process, and you will just have to wait about 1 or 2 minutes for it to be finished. And you refresh the page to see if it's finished also. After some time, you'll see success here. It means it is done. Then we go again to our workflow and execute this step again. Now you see it's a success and we got the URL for our image. Let's see how it looks like. Look what our automation can do in just 3 minutes. This is amazing. This is most like a professional photo that will take like $1,000 with professional cameras and a crew to be done in a real setting. We just did it with AI in 3 minutes. This is the power of AI, guys. Let's go again to n8n. After that, we create again a Telegram node that sends us the image into our chat. Let's execute it and let's see. As you can see, I just received the photo right here. After that, we create a Google VO3 video. You have to apply this URL here. For authentication, we just go with the generic credential type again, header authentication, and the bearer API I told you before. After that, you turn on this send body here, click on raw, on content type, enter application/JSON, and for the body, you enter this prompt here. Now, after we click on execute step, this process will take about 3 to 4 minutes to make the AI video for our product. Let's execute it. If it says it's a success, then your video is on processing. We can check again on the logs here. Click on Google VO3 here. And if you see this status running, it means your video is being processed. Just let it run. After some time, it is finished. Just as a reminder, the Google VO3 costs about 40 cents for video, and the ChatGPT image generator costs about 4 cents, so it is super cheap. After that, we go again, we create another waiting node here. I have inputted the 360 seconds here, which will take to make this automation automatic, but since we did it manually, I'll just enter one here just for execution. After that is done, we get the URL of the video here. On the URL, you have to enter this one. It is on my documents on the classroom. You have to enter again the generic credential type here, header authentication, the bearer API of the Kai AI here. Then you click on Send Query Parameters. Click that on. Using fields below, click the name, put task ID here, and just drag and drop this task ID here. After that is done, we execute this step. Here we have the URL of the video. Let's check it out. All right. Of course, it could be better. You can include a commentator. It all depends on the prompt you put in the first Telegram message. Please, that's the most important prompt you have to make. If you make a detailed prompt for an AI agent, it will make an even better advert. I just made a quick one for this demonstration purposes. After that, we create another Telegram node here, so we get the video back. Here you have to enter the Telegram account with the API you have connected previously, enter the message here, and send video here. After that, we get the chat ID and then the video ID here, and execute this step. Now we should receive a Telegram message with the video. Just like so, here is the video on the Telegram. That's how you make this AI agent automation from scratch. The full template you can find inside our community, the AI Syndicate, which you just go to the classroom here after you joined and click on the Add Creator AI Agent. Everything will be inside of here, from the full template to every prompt we just included inside this workflow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, as it helps us make more of these educational videos for you guys. Thank you. I will see you on the next one.